Hello.
Perfect. Yeah. Hello. But thank you, Michael, for this nice moderation. I was just thinking you could go ahead and you'd have done the intro from my already fully nicely done. Yeah, first of all,
Can you
thank
bring them
you to
out
the
in your
FESPA
captions?
organization to provide this great platform to
When
us
they're
and
speaking, just
yeah,
bring
to
your
giving us
faces
the
clearer.
opportunity to run this session today. My dear colleague Renee and I will give you within the next 10 minutes a brief overview about Aslan and our self-adhesive specialties, as Mike has already announced. So for those of you who are not that familiar with Aslan, our focus in the heart of Aslan is really to develop specialties, products with a special USP, with unique features. We could code, of course, standard monomeric or polymeric vinyl, but that's not Aslan. Aslan is always about a special product for the special application, the best you can use it for. All we're doing is made in Germany, so our production plant is close to Cologne, 20 kilometers away. Very important is that we mix the adhesives in-house, so we buy the additives and mix the adhesives to our standard recipes. But from there, of course, we can develop further on more and more formulations depending to the special application you have. And we coat these different kind of adhesives on different kind of raw materials such as PVC, polypropylene, polyester, but also new recycled materials, which will come within the next week. So you should really stay tuned what you will hear about that from us. Um, Aslan is also well known to produce customized products. So if you have, for example, a project where you say, okay, I want a red vinyl for floor graphics with a super ultra tech adhesive, but I can remove it, then it would be something we could make for you already in very small quantities. And this is something what we like to do and it's happening very often. And we motivate you to get in touch with us regarding that.
Yes,
I would
absolutely. Get
like
in touch with us every time you have something special. So, what we want to do is to share with you a few ideas of in four different fields of application. We're going to talk about digital printing, we're going to talk about glass decoration, we're going to talk about special effect films and metallic films, and we're going to talk quickly also about the memo board range, which is absolutely amazing at Aslan. So, we want to share with you inspiration and ideas and application of what you can do for a start with our digital printable films. So we're going to go through a few different applications and pictures together to see everything, or at least a little bit of what you can do with the Aslan films. Actually, we would need at least 3 hours to go through all the application and options you have with us. So one of the main very important applications we can offer is application on asphalt. Now with COVID, it has become really, really an important thing to be able to have social distancing on the floor. We have a special film that is really developed specially for that with the right adhesive for it. If you want to go onto walls, we have loads of different solutions, but we have one specific one, our Wrap the House Aslan DFP 45, which is really made for textured walls and rough walls, indoor, outdoor, and offers also the amazing feature of being removable without residue. That really is unique. So going a step further, what do you do when you have some marble on the floor on the walls, like in a museum? Do you want to damage it and risking it with any kind of adhesive you can find, or do you want to go with the Aslan Rub the Floor DFP 47 and then make sure you have the right adhesive that will not leave any residues and that will not damage the marble? That is what we can offer you. Going further, also for the carpet, you want to stick something on the carpet for social distancing, but what happens when you remove it? Do you want residues, or do you want to have the same carpet as you had before? Go with Rub the Carpet and you will have the solution. So also talking about walls again, if you want to have a film which is removable and you want it or in matte or in glossy or in transparent, you want something that is really removable even after a long time, we will offer you the solution with the DFP 40, 41 and 42. Another option is when you want to go not removable, but the real opposite. You want to have something with really, you want to make sure it will stick very strongly on the wall, also on LSE surface, on low energetic surfaces or polaric surface, how you call them. We do have the right vinyl and we do have the right adhesive for you, the UltraTac. It does exist in clear, in white and glossy and in matte. So loads of solutions again just for you. And now this adhesive thing that some try to copy, but no one reaches even close the solution we have with our window block. It's really a block out film for windows that is white on both sides and guarantees a perfect block out to the light and to the print on the other side. So a new film we offer, it is a film that will stick on PVC substrate, but that will also be removable from PVC substrate. Really new, really special, and really unique in the market. Contact us and go and try it.
Perfect. We jump over to another product group, which are our glass decoration films. We offer different kind of shades, different kind of raw materials. Again, PVC or alternatives to PVC, different kind of effect and features. Important is the dry apply technology. Always when you see an L in the product name, so there are air channels in the product name. And these dry apply air channels from Aslan, they are really, really super well known. Everybody who has tried this product actually falls in love and wants to ongoingly use it. The good thing is you can apply the vinyl to the glass and you can remove it, you can reposition it without having any white cracking. So it's a very thankful solution. And when you remove it after 7 years in the application, you remove the film with the adhesive, you will not have any residues on the glass. So yeah, feel free to get in touch with us to ask for the dry apply glass decoration films and just give it a try to convince yourself. Here we see a printed dry apply version at our distributor in Norway in their office. Here we see a solution which is a privacy film, which is writable. So instead of adding a whiteboard film or a flip chart in the office, you can use the Edgeboard dry apply to write on, also as a projection space. Dichroic film to give a very nice effect. So it's really eye-catching solution in 2 different transparent versions, from pink to blue and from yellow to pink. Or, as mentioned before, PVC-free solutions, as here at the airport in Cologne. We also have a range of transparent colored films. It's our CT113, 25 different colors, which give you the opportunity to match them and make games like here at the balcony at an application in Paris, which has been done recently.
Okay, so I would say France takes over again, and we're going to talk about metallic films. So we want to share with you the inspiration of metallic films. We do have probably one of the biggest range of metallic solutions. We have them printable or not printable. Here you see an example of the non-printable CA23. It does exist in 8 colors and different finishes, in matte, in brushed, or in glossy. We also have a matte option, which you will see here with the luxury platinum and champagne effects. So these films are really special because they have the same color on both sides of the film, so you can even apply them on glass, and you will have in one go the effect on the both sides of the glass. Really, really unique. Because we want to offer everything to our customers to have their life easy and to implement their ideas, we have also a range of printable metallics, which you can use or on glass because it's also double-sided, but which are also printable, as here it has been used in a museum, where you can apply it on the wall, on the floor. It's been applied like all around the museum, and it really looks absolutely amazing just with the print of a black line. Really an amazing application that has been done. So we also offer a film which is like a mirror film, absolutely new and completely unique in the market because it is perfectly scratch resistant, and it looks like a proper mirror. It's not like not only a metallic film, it really is a mirror. Get in touch with us, ask for a sample, check it, and you will be just amazed by it. Again, we're talking about the dichroics. My colleague Karen just talked about the transparent ones. Here's an example of our opaque dichroic films, the SE71, which do exist in 4 different colors, for different shades, and give you the opportunity in the retail or in the decoration of your hotel to offer amazing options and completely new trends, and to set yourself the trends for the future. Which is how I give over to Karen again.
Yeah, if Mike gives us another 2 minutes to shortly, briefly mention MemoBot. Okay, yeah.
Thank
Last but not
you.
least, we're talking about the MemoBot products. We're developing these solutions since 1974. The first one was a green chalkboard film. Since then, we have added into our portfolio nearly 30 more products. Whiteboard, blackboard, clearboard, colored, matte, glossy, magnet receptive. So really a potpourri and a bunch of various kind of solutions. Important is that they are all made for long-term use, as they are often used on furniture, on walls and meeting rooms, so you want to have them on the long run. They also have an outdoor durability of up to 5 years. And very important is that we do not have any ghosting. So if you write on and if you want to remove it, the menu from last week, for example, or the meeting protocol, you can guarantee remove it without any ghosting. And that is outstanding when you look at the films which are in the market. This is an application we have in our meeting room. So you see the possibilities are endless. You can have it white, glossy, matte, black, or also a metal effect film in champagne, laminated with a writable laminating film. A whiteboard film in an office where you can even project on, which is additionally magnet receptive. A printed ferrofilm at the back of this kitchen, which is laminated with a writable film. So you see you can stick magnets on and write on, and it is no problem in this application. Here we have a blackboard film, the only blackboard film in the market where you have guaranteed no ghosting. That's one of the promise we really give. And yeah, we motivate you to order your sample to make a test. This is again a printed ferrofilm at the back of the meeting room, so you would not even assume that's a ferrofilm. It looks like a leather appearance, but it's a ferrofilm laminated with a clear chalk, so you can write on this surface. A rear projection film where you can project with a beamer on and have the film inside. Yeah, in case you have any questions, and we hope, of course, you have many questions now, or we raised some questions, please get in touch with us. Yeah, via email, drop us a call, get in touch via LinkedIn, and yeah, we hope to get your
And we're
questions.
still on the chat for the rest of the afternoon, together with FESPA. And a big, big thank you for the 3 minutes we've stolen. Thank you so much for that.